I got involved in the Superintendent Student Advisory Council because once I found out about it and once I found out what their purpose was, I realized that making a difference in not only Texas City High School but Marque High School too and our full district seemed really important in what we could do to better our future.
The reason I got involved in the Student Advisory Council was to self-advocate for myself. I've been asked many problems and asked many solutions about many things, and I've seen this as a way or opportunity to express how I felt about something. I didn't have to go through a teacher or a principal. I went straight to our superintendent, Dr. Duarte.
A benefit that I got to see was a lot of the students feel a lot more heard now. They get to see that we are actually taking their opinions and bringing it up to someone who can make a difference and actually make the rules and set the rules and set boundaries and events that we would like to create.
I learned that it's very easy to find solutions to problems when you can work together with very smart and capable minds from not only your school but from other schools, and that's a life lesson when you're out in the world. Learning to work with other people is very important.
So our kickball tournament that we're hosting April 13th is going to be very competitive. Our student coaches went through a whole process of drafting teachers and administrators from Marque and Texas City, and let's just say we are ready for it.
We're gonna win, but if we do lose, and that's a very big if, we're still gonna have fun at the end of the day.